Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know how important it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw BUSD from Metamask to Gemini in 2025. BUSD is a stablecoin that's super handy for transactions, and transferring it from your Metamask wallet to Gemini can be done quickly and safely. Whether you're cashing out or just shuffling funds, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Metamask installed on your browser and that you're logged in. If you don't have it, download it from the official site to avoid any scams. Once you're in, check that you're connected to the correct network. BUSD is typically on the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum mainnet, so switch to that in your Metamask settings. Next, head over to your Gemini account. Log in and go to the deposit section. Select BUSD as the asset you want to deposit. Gemini will give you a unique wallet address. Copy that down carefully because this is where your funds will go. Double check that it's for BUSD to prevent any mistakes. Now, back in Metamask, select your BUSD token from your wallet. Click on Send and paste the Gemini wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for gas fees if you're on Ethereum. Review everything, amount, address, and network, then hit Confirm. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet password or whatever security method you have set up. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes, so keep an eye on your Metamask Activity tab in Gemini account for confirmation. Once it shows up in Gemini, you're good to go. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to make sure everything works smoothly, especially in 2025 when crypto rules might have new updates. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BUSD from Metamask to Gemini. It's straightforward, but if you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.